Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the base game is updated and you have access to the crafting system. This ensures recipes appear. Once done, head to the nearest town hub and speak with the cooking or crafting NPC to unlock the egg recipe. Make sure you gather the listed ingredients: 3 eggs, 1 flour, 1 water, because missing items block progression. You'll also want a small amount of in-game currency to cover any nominal crafting fee, so check your balance before moving on. Now you open the crafting menu and locate the regular egg recipe under the food section. Read the requirements carefully. When you combine 3 eggs, 1 flour, and 1 water, press craft and watch the progress indicator. Crafting completes instantly or after a short timer depending on settings. If you run out of eggs, farmland nodes, check cooking shops, or target creatures that drop eggs. These options vary by region, so pivot to the fastest local source once you learn spawn patterns. Finally, place your regular egg into inventory or the stash so it's safe from spoil timers. This prevents accidental loss. If the recipe isn't visible, make sure you applied the latest patch, re-talk to the NPC who grants recipes, and re-enter the town area to trigger scripts. If that fails, restart the game and verify files or reinstall updates. These steps usually clear cache-related glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: try crafting once after a full reload before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.